If one imagines the beginning of human history some 200,000 years ago, the use of plants for food can be easily accepted as a necessity for life. From this use of plants, however, humans must also have discovered that consuming plant materials in addition to curing hunger would make the body feel better, eventually leading to the knowledge that plants could also be used as medicines. Good morning, everyone. On the occasion of this Environment Day, I would like to talk about medicinal plants. Turmeric is one of the widely used medicinal plants in the world. With its brilliant orange hue, it's impossible to miss a bottle of turmeric sitting on a spice shelf. Originating in India, turmeric is believed to have anti-cancer properties and prevent DNA mutations. It is an anti-inflammatory which can be taken as a supplement, and it's been used typically for people with arthritis. It is used worldwide as a cooking ingredient, which makes it a delicious addition to many dishes. It can be put within a variety of dishes like turmeric milk, turmeric tea, etc. Aloe vera is the king of medicinal plants. It holds water in its fleshy leaves, which is why it can sustain in extremely dry conditions as well. So growing an aloe vera in your garden will not require you to take extra care of the plant. However, it can surely treat a wide variety of health problems. Those include constipation, digestive distress, acne, and poor body immunity. Curry leaves, a plant that can be easily grown in our own homes. This tree is native to India, and its leaves are used for both medicinal and culinary applications. They are highly aromatic and have a unique flavor with notes of citrus. Consuming curry leaves may benefit heart health by reducing heart disease risks such as high cholesterol. Curry leaf extract may help us reduce high blood sugar levels and protect against symptoms related to diabetes. Everything in this environment has its own importance, so conserve it for us and the generations to come. Thank you.